congratulations, Jaime, on winning Advisor's Choice Fund Company of the Year, third year in a row.
Thank you very much.
So what do you think, what's interesting about this award really is that it's chosen by advisors. So what do you think it is about Fidelity that keeps putting you ahead of other competitors in the eyes of advisors?
Well, I'd say we keep it simple. I think we focus on four things. We focus on best-in-class wholesaling, and I think we spend an awful lot of time thinking about how we develop our wholesalers, how we make sure that our wholesalers are delivering what's important to advisors. Best-in-class back office support, I think, is really important for us. I would also add to that delivering the right products at the right time. I think over the past year we've demonstrated that with a number of the products that we've brought out in the area of U.S. equity. And I think the last thing, and you could argue perhaps the most important factor in advisors determining which fund companies to partner with would be consistent and excellent investment performance. I think those are the four things that advisors look to for a mutual fund partner, and those are the four things that we certainly focus our attention on.
That's great. And what about the tax clinics that you guys put on this year? I know that you wanted to touch on that. Is that a new initiative that Fidelity has started?
It is. We noticed, I'd say a little bit more than a year ago, that there were a lot of advisors out there that didn't really have the level of understanding that they felt they should when it came to corporate class, capital yield, and a lot of the advantages tax advantages of using mutual funds. And so we leveraged the expertise of an individual within Fidelity, our former fund treasurer, and we did more than 80 tax clinics across the country, large cities, small towns, and we usually would have anywhere from 30 to 50 advisors, and these were 3-hour sessions where we could really go in depth into all of the advantages of why an advisor would want to use corporate class in building a portfolio.
Oh, that's fantastic. So what should investors and really advisors expect from Fidelity in 2014?
I think it's going to be more of the same. During 2013, we broadened our product lineup. We brought out a number of new U.S. equity products. Almost exactly a year ago, it was the day after a little more than a year ago, a day after the U.S. elections, we launched our U.S. monthly income fund, our U.S. dividend fund. They ended up being the most successful product launches in Fidelity Canada's history. We've brought in more than $1 billion in those two funds. And then this past January, we ended up launching our U.S. all-cap fund, a U.S. focused stock fund as well. So, we focused an awful lot on U.S. equity, and we also have been focusing on funds that were underperforming. And at Fidelity, we have the luxury of leveraging more than 250 portfolio managers. And so what we've done is we've taken these 5-star Morningstar rated managers from the US and we've brought them to Canada and have them manage these funds, which in the past we haven't been necessarily happy with, and the performance has improved and we've started to see advisors respond accordingly. So that's been a big win for us, and now we're really turning our sights towards the global side.
All right, well, we look forward to 2014, and congratulations again on the award.
Thank you again.